Women and a Perfect Wine Glass by a poet's terroir. What is the most beautiful thing a woman can wear? It is her smile. But can you guess what is the best thing a beautiful wine can wear? It is an equally beautiful and delicate wine glass. So, what is this big hue and cry about women and their importance? Why do we even celebrate them, their womanhood? Do you remember the most important thing you would get from your mom when you would get back home from school? Can you recall how your wife greeted you last evening that made you forget your full day of worries? It was a warm and true smile. It is so amazing to see how a woman can hold an entire world around her together with just a smile. I think wine glasses were inspired by women too. If you look closely, their bottoms curve into a smile, each varying in their shape to give you the best experience of your wine. A smile is not so moving or loving till the time it is not authentic, full of love and warmth. For a wine glass to give you the best sip, it must be true to the flavor and the type of wine you are having. For example, in general, a red wine must be had in a large glass with a full round bowl and a large opening. The opening enables you to dip your nose and take in all the aromas. A fuller bowl allows more air contact to diffuse the aroma and flavors. Some giggle in a subdued manner, while others burst into a contagious laughter. Some just give a glimpse, while others gleam with a set of 32 whites. Either way, a woman's smile can surely make your heart melt. And sometimes, all you want to do is capture that smile with your eyes and keep it in your memories forever. That is just what a U-shaped, upright white wine glass does. Enhance and preserve the aromas of the wine while maintaining its cool temperature. Do you know what makes a woman stronger than a man? Other than birthing a child, it is her ability to smile for others. You know, the real, beautiful smile that she manages even through her tears. Her effervescent spirit keeps the lives of all those around her alive. Who wouldn't want to celebrate their precious moments with this vivacious, special person? But when you do that, make sure you pour a champagne for her first in an upright, narrow bowled glass so that the flavor and the bubbles do not get lost in the ticking noise of the clock. A lot of you think that women want money, cars, and gifts, but the right woman just needs a man who can be the reason for her smile. She is her own sunshine. She is her own warrior. She is her own God, and she is her own Messiah. She doesn't really need you, but you need her to turn your life to gold with her simple, beautiful smile. Don't be a loser who doesn't know how to treat his bundle of joy, but a man who gives his woman every reason to smile. You know, a true connoisseur will always savor his wine in the right glass. He will select a glass that can collect the aromas and deposits wine into the mouth in a manner that you relish every sip of it. Whether you want your wine to proceed directly to the back of the mouth for more bitter flavors to shine, as in the case of Cabernet Sauvignon and Syrah, or you want to taste the wine at the tip of your tongue, as in the case of a delicate wine like Pinot Noir, you must select your glass as per occasion. Whether it's a perfect Sunday afternoon lunch or a sommelier's dinner in the night. It's Women's Day, and what best way it is to celebrate her with some wine. Be it bubbles, white or red, make sure you select a more honest glass for the wine, one that can really show and champion the aromas and the flavors of the wine. Your honest efforts and character will shine through for your woman only to make her smile. She will know that she is in the hands of a true connoisseur. In today's painting, I'm using a very special wine for just giving the finishes, but majority of it I'll be saving for myself. After all, I'm a woman too, and would like to celebrate a Woman's Day in my own way. It is Lucente, an Italian blended wine made of Merlot and Sangiovese grapes. So which glass do you think I should choose for a blended wine? Well, I will not rack my brains into getting the details, but go with the safest, a balloon glass, so my wine can get plenty of air to breathe in its versatile structure and is maintained at the right temperature. Hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Do share your feedback by commenting below. Also, let me know if you tried your hand at making this painting, or better, bought yourself a brand new wine glass. Hope you liked watching my wine and art tutorials. I'm Jas from A Poet's Terroir, and I'm not a trained artist or a poet, but I sure as hell know how to make you fall in love with colors and with words. Subscribe now to my channel by clicking on the link below for your dose of entertainment, inspiration, and art.